After the end of World War II, Germany's aviation industry was severely restricted. Not only could they not design and produce large aircraft, but even the design and production of fighter planes were also limited. However, there was still room for development in the field of light multi-purpose aircraft. By the 1950s, the German aviation industry began to slowly recover and produced the first post-war mass-produced aircraft, the Do-27, which was a relatively successful model. The predecessor of the Do-27 was the Do-25, which was originally developed by Dornier Company for Spain as a short takeoff and landing light multi-purpose aircraft. For various reasons, Spain did not adopt it, and Dornier Company continued to develop the aircraft, leading to the creation of the Do-27. The Do-27 is a single-engine high-wing light aircraft. Its appearance is somewhat similar to the Fi-156 Storch liaison aircraft used during World War II. Initially, it was equipped with a 150 horsepower engine, which proved to be underpowered. It was later replaced with a Lycoming Go 480 B1B6 six-cylinder horizontally opposed piston engine, which could output 340 horsepower, driving a 2.8-meter diameter metal two-blade propeller, and later some models were equipped with a three-blade propeller. The aircraft has a high wing with large-sized flaps to ensure low-speed performance. It only needs about 160 meters of runway to take off. The tricycle landing gear is fixed and equipped with shock absorbers, allowing for takeoff and landing on dirt runways. The cockpit has a large windshield, providing the pilot with excellent visibility. The rear cabin is spacious and can accommodate 4 to 5 passengers or transport small-sized cargo. There are glass windows on both sides and the top of the cabin for easy observation. Like other classic aircraft of the same type, the Do-27 has a simple and reliable structure, making it easy to produce and maintain. Its manufacturing and operating costs are very low, and it can also be used for training novice pilots, making it suitable for both military and civilian use. The prototype of the Do-27 made its first flight in 1955 and quickly attracted the interest of the Spanish and German military. Due to the changing times, Germany was also allowed to develop its own armed forces to a certain extent, which provided an opportunity for the large-scale domestic deployment of the Do-27. A total of 571 aircraft were produced, with most of them being equipped in the German military. There are more than 20 different submodels, each with only minor adjustments in some details, meaning that the production quantity of most submodels is actually not very high. A low production quantity does not mean that the aircraft is not good. The Do-27 was favored by many countries after entering service, including Turkey, Switzerland, Sudan, Portugal, Angola, and more than 20 other countries. However, most countries purchased only a few aircraft. For example, South Africa purchased 2 aircraft, and Sweden purchased 5 aircraft, which is quite modest. The Do-27 later replaced by the Do-28 in the German military, and some of the exported aircraft remained in service until the early 21st century. Some of the exported Do-27 aircraft also saw combat. Portugal not only purchased 40 new aircraft but also bought 106 second-hand aircraft from Germany, making it the largest overseas user. The Portuguese Air Force used them in Africa until 2 Do-27 aircraft were shot down by portable anti-aircraft missiles, putting an end to their combat career in 1975. As Germany's first mass-produced aircraft after World War II, the Do-27 was not an advanced aircraft, but it was indeed a successful light multi-purpose aircraft, serving as a great starting point for Germany's post-war recovery in the aviation industry. The empty weight of the Do-27 is 985 kilograms, for the basic model. Subsequent models such as the Do-27S increased to 1850 kilograms. It has a length of 10.08 meters, a height of 4.18 meters, a wingspan of 12 meters, and can accommodate 1 pilot and 4 to 5 passengers. The maximum flight speed is 250 km per hour, the cruising speed is 205 km per hour, the maximum range is 870 km, and the maximum altitude is 5,500 meters.